Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is yo. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读 yo, yo. We know listenable is final yo. So first time go down yo, yo. Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。横撇捺 yo. Yo means again. So here we pay attention. When we use yo again, it means the repeat things already happened. For example, Monday, I went to the bank. And Tuesday, I went to the bank again. So here when you say, 星期一我去银行，星期二我又去了银行。So Tuesday, I went to bank. This action already happened, so we use you. When we use you, again means a repeat action already happened. Okay, that is all about you. If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.